go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me.
Hey guys, good morning. I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing okay. And I also hope you have a ton of things to get done alongside me today. In today's video, we are doing some cleaning, we're doing some organizing, we're doing some tidying, some dusting, and really just picking up the house after a long day of everything getting everywhere. It's the kid messing up the house, it's dishes, it's a room full of toys and all of that stuff. So we have a lot of things to get done today. I must tell you that I started recording during the day but ended up having to stop because #momlife. So I did ended up having to stop and picking up the video later on. So that is why this video is titled After Dark Clean with Me, because guess what? Majority of the cleaning really got done after dark. So I hope you're ready. If you're working alongside me today, girl, pick up your cleaning tools and let's get to work.
I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
So I wanted to let that song run through for a little bit because I liked it, but we basically started off our cleaning in the day by just organizing some new wet diaper wipes. What am I saying? Some wet wipes that we use in diaper changes. If you're a mom, you know, right? Just organizing that because I ordered a new set, and then we are heading into the kitchen area as you are seeing right now to just unpack and organize some applesauce pouches. We get the Kirkland brand off of Amazon here in Japan. It's a Costco brand. Aiden loves these. After this, we are going to actually skip to nighttime and get to the real cleaning.
Changing your mind. Nah, we ain't got the time.
Actually, guys, today was not a pick up and film day, but a box just came in today from DHL because my parents-in-law, that's Adam's mom and dad, sent us a care package from Jamaica. I'm so excited. We have all the goods that is going to last us for a while. I'm super excited. If you know me, then you know living in Japan, this is always a problem. Like the seasonings that we're used to in our food from back home, we don't get them here. And I have been out of seasoning for like almost half of a year, and it has been ridiculous. So I am so happy that they sent us some box. This is a seed from one of these tamarind balls that I have already started to eat. But let me take you through a haul real quick. We have some cock soup to make Jamaican chicken soup, whatever soup. I actually am going to probably cook this sometime over the weekend, like cook some soup, because I have some beef with bone that is perfect for some soup, like some red pea soup. Yes, Lord, over the weekend. Hallelujah. So I currently have like my meal plan for the week on the fridge there, but something is gonna get crossed out and we're gonna be having soup because I'm excited. We have some cream crackers, we have some water crackers, we have the good Easter bun, and we have a few other cock soup from the Maggie brand. And then this one is new to me, ram goat soup. I've never heard of like the soup mix for manish water, so this is nice. I can buy a piece of mutton here in Japan and try to cook some goat soup. Let's see how that turns out. We have some of the regular spiced round buns here. We have a few banana chips, both in like small size and big size. I wish Aiden could eat these, but I think it's going to be like too tough for his gums and teeth, so he's probably going to skip these out. Maybe next care package, who knows. We got some kiss cake, which I've already digged into one right there. Adam loves the chocolate flavor, so I bet he's going to appreciate that. We have some tamarind balls. We have all the seasoning. We have a fish. We have 2 all-purpose and 2 chicken. That's what I requested. We have a curry powder. Oh my god, I have so much curry at this point. I'm set for life with curry, but these, I use them so hard. I go through them so hard. It's hard to like have a stock when, you know, you can't easily get these. We have some tang, so we're not going to be buying juice in the Japanese supermarket for a while because these can make us some juice. They also sent a storybook for Aiden and this Jamaica shirt. I am assuming it's for Aiden because this size cannot fit either me or Adam, so I'm assuming it's a big boy Aiden shirt. And the last box that they sent, they also included a Jamaican outfit for Aiden, so I'm assuming this is also for him. Not assuming, it has to be for him because of the size. So yeah, it was Happy Mail Day. Today is Happy Mail Day. We had a good day and this just topped it off with a surprise delivery because I know the box was coming, but I did not expect it to arrive today because the tracking information said delivery on Friday. But usually once the box enters Japan, it's like a day or two or a day and a half before you actually have it in hand. So I'm super excited that this happened today. Thank you so much, Mom and Pops. We love you. Thank you. Your girl is gonna be eating good, okay? At least for the next few, how long will these last? I don't know. My camera keeps bitching out because the mic is turned to the opposite side and it is like hanging down in the viewfinder. But yeah, I do not want to make this whole thing long because this is going to be an insert into another video. So let's go back to the main video, guys. Alright, you guys, so this is the magnitude of everything that we are cleaning tonight. As you can see, the kitchen is a mess. We have a ton of dishes because not a single dish was washed during the day, so Adam has his job cut out for him. And if you are wondering where I am while Adam is washing the dishes, actually I was in Aiden's room getting him ready for bed, doing his nighttime routine before I hop on and join in doing some chores. So usually on the weekends, I am assuming this was filmed on a weekend actually because Adam is home, and usually at this time when I'm putting Aiden to bed and stuff like that, Adam is not home when it's a weekday because of work. We like to divide and conquer once Adam is here. Usually Adam is the one washing the dishes, and then later on I'll be joining him with doing my set of the chores. So yeah, I actually thought about having Adam do the voiceover for this video, but maybe in another video we'll see. By the way, you guys can tell me down in the comments down below if you'd want to see Adam voice over one of my cleaning videos. I think it would be really fun. But if you are washing dishes today, girl, get up and let's wash dishes together. Or actually, wash dishes with Adam together, okay?
I should've kept you close, I should've held you tighter, cause in my book you were my favorite chapter. And when we left each other, damn, what was I thinking? Thought there was no answer, so blinded to believing. Now you're probably thousands of miles away,
And it's been years since I've seen your smiling face. And even though I took measures for all my pain, I still dream about you lately and hallucinate. Yeah. Lost maiden, where have you gone? Please come back to my heart. I'm out here waiting for you to go. I never should've let you go. Feeling I wish I could've followed you. I spend my nights alone, 'cause without you in my life I'm always feeling alone. I'm clean up, no longer wasted, waking from this nightmare back when we were young, making these promises of everlasting. Starting fresh is anesthesia, shut doors and you feel I'm repeating moments with another, only able when I'm drunk. Why do I miss you as if you are departed when you might be lucky?
I don't know about you guys, but for me, it is so satisfying to watch people washing dishes. I don't know if it's the soapy water or dirty things getting clean or what, but I enjoy watching people wash dishes, so I'm letting these clips run in its entirety. But very soon here we're going to be giving you a break from Adam washing dishes. He's gonna continue doing that, but we're going to head into Aiden's room while he gets a little bit of screen time. Just because I am filming this video on this night, he gets screen time just before he goes to bed. That does not happen at all, but I needed to get his room tidied up while filming and I didn't want him to break my camera, so we're going to head into his room here in a bit to tidy up that. So I'll meet you in there shortly.
I'm praying you are doing well, no stressing if I hear them wedding bells, but if I wanted to be selfish I wouldn't be able to help it. I wonder, where have you gone? Lost maiden, where have you gone? Back to my heart. I'm out here waiting for you to go. I never should've let you go. Feeling I wish I could've.
Okay, so we are now in Aiden's room. I'm just showing you the messes that we have to tackle in here. The toys are all over the floor. Everything is a mess. His diapers need to be refilled in the little diaper storage thing that we keep it in. So yeah, let's take care of this really quickly. If you are working alongside me, we are 13 minutes into the video, so I hope you have been cranking off things off your to-do list, and we are going to be finishing off strong together. So keep it up. We're doing a good job.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams.
I wanted to mention that Aiden absolutely loves his slide. We got it off of Amazon. a couple weeks ago, and he has been loving it. When he just got it, he was like using it the correct way, so he was sliding down the correct way, but then a few days later he stopped. It's almost as if he got scared of going down the correct way, and now he goes down the slide back way. So I don't know if you have kids and they go down the slide like that. Let me know so I know I'm not alone, because it's like I can't get him to go down the right way anymore. And also Aiden's room is full of toys because we only have a 3-bedroom house, and one of them is our office, so we do not have like a designated play area for Aiden. So you find that he has toys in the living room, and he also has majority of his toys in his bedroom. It doesn't affect his sleep, so you know, what's not broken, we won't fix it right now.
You are like me, and I am like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. To be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. Friends.
We are almost done with Aiden's room right now. We are just doing the final sweeping, and then I am going to just give you the after shot of what the room ended up looking like. So it is all nice and clean and ready for Aiden to not see it for the next 12 hours. And I live for this.
Me come undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone?
So quickly here, you're going to see me pointing at the top of the window, showing you just the situation that we have going on up there. I wanted to explain a little bit. So because we did not perfectly use the blackout tape on Aiden's window to block out the light, we ended up having to stuff it with some towels and some sheets just to keep like the extra lights out, because Aiden's room stay pitch black while he's sleeping. So yeah, just wanted to explain that little situation right there, just in case you're wondering, like, girl, what the heck, you know? So that is it. We are now back into the kitchen. Adam is doing the last bit of tidying up the kitchen. Like, can you believe the entire time that we've been in the room cleaning and stuff like that, Adam has been out here cleaning as well. But I'll be joining him soon because I'm about to put Aiden down to sleep. Like, seriously guys, the kitchen takes the longest to clean. I don't know. And I guess because we don't have a dishwasher to help us out, we have to do like everything from scratch. It's like, it's wild. It's crazy. We're going to bed. Are we going to bed? Bye-bye.
Sleeping there? Bueno.
Alright guys, we are on the last stretch of today's After Dark Clean with me. I hope you have been cleaning alongside me. And girl, if the only thing you were doing is just relaxing while you watch us clean this house, then that is totally fine too. But if you decided to work with us, I hope that you have done enough to make yourself feel accomplished and productive. It was so very nice cleaning alongside you guys tonight. And next up, as Adam cleans up the kitchen, I am going to come in and I am going to tidy up and pick up the office area a little bit. Some clothes were on the floor, things were thrown on the desk and stuff like that. So I'm going to be tidying up that area, giving it a nice little wipe down, dust down, and then we are going to call it a night. If you have stuck with us so far, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it provided enough motivation for you to get some stuff done around your house as well. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and join the Natz fam. Hit the notification button to get notified every time I post a video. Like this video if you did, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. And the video is not ended yet. I'm just telling you bye because you probably won't hear from me again for the remainder of this video. We have about 3 minutes left and then we'll be all done. So see you soon.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.